The sixth eruption of the Stóra-Skógfell volcanic system in the area of the Stóra-Skógfell started very vigorously with a lot of pressure, releasing the magma to the surface. It has a lot of gas at the initial stage. It bubbles up, and you can see through the fountains of the lava it creates. These bubbles create fountains, like what you do with a soft drink. If it is shaken and it has lots of gas, when you try to open it up, it fountains out. And that is what we have in the initial days, in the first week, with this eruption reaches 170 meters high into the air. And that's the time that the magma entry and exit are unhampered. We can see that actually magma reservoir is getting emptied. The downward trend in the red line you can see here shows that the magma is actually drained fast to the atmosphere, to the surface of the earth. Then it gets flat, like a flat drink. Gases are reduced, and you don't see much fountains rise into the air. Something is blocking it. Either the gas has reduced the amount of the gas and volatiles, or something else is blocking it. Whatever the result is, that we see the upward trend, means the magma coming in but not going out. So the initial stage is that the magma accumulates. That's what we see in the GPS data you can see here. And that's what we see at the surface. This is an old K1 crater area. We don't see anything there. We don't see anything in the Stóra-Skógfell area. No visible beyond the rim. No visible activity beyond the rim. Whatever is happening is within the rim of the volcano. Thanks to the Chinese tourists, we can actually have a glimpse of what's going on. We have passed the sign of the overflow, and the lava tube has formed. So the invisible part of the eruption is finished. From this angle, we cannot see unless we put our camera somewhere better. And that is what we have done. We can see aerial view for over half a day. We cannot see any activity inside the crater. There is a thermal image also, and that thermal image just don't show anything visible inside the crater itself. What we see is the heating due to the sun, and the lava is still hot around it. Also, the seismic activity has ceased. This is the FAT, means that the highest part of the seismic activity in this eruption. This is from the north of the Stóra-Skógfell, we can see. And the eruption end toward the right, you can see that the seismic activity dropped suddenly, and that's the result. This is what we have seen in the Icelandic Meteorological Office latest update. No visible activity. The eruption lasted for around 14 days. I think it was 16 days, more like it. And some land rise has started again. Risk assessment will be available later today. And that is all that we can say for this eruption. The eruption is over. This is the end for this one. See you in November, as I say.